Yo, here we are back with a trade recap. I mean, it's been a while. I've been not consistent at all. I'm so sorry. I've had many other things to do, but I still traded in these days. Now I don't want to say that much, and my best situation till now. So I'm really happy how the days have been going. Also speak about the Discord. As you can see, okay, today I'm gonna show you this trade here, but also we had good calls, break-even days, but like overall very good. Even though maybe some days I don't take it, or I'll take a BE, or I don't execute that well. But still, we are learning together, and I think in some time will be very, very, very good. So yeah, about yesterday, because it was the 2nd of April, as you can see here, today is the 3rd, and you can see from this huge drop, I think it was on Liberation Day for America, Trump announced tariffs, reciprocal, I don't know what to say. So yeah, we're kind of, I don't want to say, but we're like, we are effed. It's not a good sign, but we'll see. The charts will tell us, the economy will tell us how the countries now react. But we care for that, of course, but today we care about the trade of yesterday. So, New York session, we had London, and also here, let's take ES. Can take this is useful. I actually traded on NQ, was better on ES actually. But like you can see here, Asia, London, okay, we have Asia high. ES to close, okay. I think also after NQ. Yeah, ES and Asia to close, so PM lows. And so after taking lows, we want to see a displacement. We go for the previous AM low, or we don't. I don't know, every time we have to. So we left the low here, we took it after. But yeah, we want to see here a reaction if we have to manipulate maybe down also more to take the low, or just already distribute higher. So we had a strong move. Nothing, like no edge, just straight up, okay. Like you can argue that you could enter after this first presented, but no, it's very risky. We had a big gap, okay. I think at the later here we had to fill the gap, which was a pretty huge gap. Like this starts from PM low to like, so we started here, we filled the whole gap. So maybe that was the goal, okay. That was the goal for the day. And as we can see here on NQ, we had a strong move, so then we stayed patient because we chopped for a bit. NQ seems stronger, but then ES and NQ flip them, so like, okay. So start of the chop, we see this 1 minute gap hold pretty well. We see that it's going up, come back to it, bodies respect, comes back again, and then strong move, okay. So after the strong move, we're like, okay, it's kind of like you could use this order block, could be a trade. We are in premium, so we are very high, so we're not too sure. And we want to see great indication of us to want to move higher, because it was still the day before the tariff, so it was not that sure if we had a great move up before. And so yeah, I mean, go up, then immediately go down, which is not usually a good sign. So we mark the gap, okay, this gap here, and the bodies again, you see, stay perfectly up, like doesn't even go in the gap, but like respect the upper part of the gap. And then here we displace higher. So I was like, okay, I think I was on NQ, okay. On ES it looked better, as you can see here on NQ, maybe doesn't look that great, but the concepts are the same. Okay, NQ, dig a little deeper. I don't know why I wanted to enter absolutely on NQ, but I did, which was a little mistake. It went good anyway, but still. So we respect we could have a deeper, so we respect the midpoint of the gap, which is usually also very good. Then we create this gap and we respect it 3 times, okay? And then we have a good displacement. So usually here, you want to wait for closure above this, okay? So like you would have entered here, okay? Here, count back, okay? This, which is still very good, okay? But it can be kind of scary to enter on a like big candle like this one. Can create a BPR, but again here, price respect the gap. Here again, close above. Okay, here close below for 1 second, but then went again. But you don't want to be a part of this chop, okay? So I was like, okay, we respected this. We respected this. We are very strong, okay? We had strong movements. We were 10, 15, okay? We have still... no, the thing is we took already London high on NQ. We didn't on AS. So that's why I wanted to take NQ, because NQ took the high, ES didn't, so bearish SMT. But at the end, ES did look better, but we had that bearish SMT. So from here, we could have just, here like you see, dropped down. But so here I wanted to take short because it was kind of a BPR towards the downside, but I wanted to see how it reacted from this. And that turned out to be a great choice. So after this displacement, I think I got filled at 50. Yeah, after this strong candle, I placed an order. There was a pre-fire, and then you can see here almost straight to the point. You can target the highs. Okay, I think I targeted like here because I'm still trading drawdown like it follows you. So when I get out of that, I can have bigger TPs and bigger wins, and maybe have a TP1, TP2. I prefer to take full TPs, but like in the future I will take multiple TPs, because you just lose like 20 points, okay? And so yeah, that was it. It was not that difficult. I mean, the day was difficult, but the thought process of it, every day is different. And I think the most important thing I can tell you is reps. You have to do it every day, be on the chart a lot, not all day, but like you have to do it. You have to have the habit, and that will make you a good trader. Because after I make a lot of, like, I still make stupid mistake. I still don't execute sometimes when I have to, when I know, because like the worst that can happen, I take a loss, but I calculate the loss, so it's no problem, and I learn, okay? But you always, when you see what you want to see, you always need to take the chance. You always need to take it. And so yeah, I mean, not that much. I hope it can be useful to you on ES here, even though you had the bearish SMT. You can see here. Okay, here in yes, if I did the same entry, would have been right around here. The thing that scared me a little, because here we respected the gap, we displaced down a little, but after this candle, okay, so after this candle you could have entered here, okay. You're at OTE for shorts, which is not ideal, but if you have great conviction, is great. So you target the high, and maybe if you have 2 TPs, you can target the gap fill. Okay, so if I was yes in English, was not in trading drawdown, I will do a stop here and then a stop here, like a TP here and TP here. So that was more, of course, than I actually earned. Here you can see, so it's about 600 something, 700 for all the free accounts, getting closer and closer to a payout. So we are doing great. I don't want to call it, but if we keep having great habits, if we keep helping each other and talk with our, like me and Tiger especially, for now we are 2, but like you create also a relationship that can last a lot, and you're not alone in this, and it's way better to do it with people that maybe sometimes have are more skilled than you or have a different view from you, so they can challenge you a little bit and they can help you. You can help them, of course, and that's what I want to create with this Discord. I think I would not be here if I didn't went to other Discord servers. So the Lantos server was great. He has too many people for me, and then another one that I don't know why my first mentor canceled it and basically disappeared. And so yeah, I think this is just a start. I have to do better videos, better quality, better whatever. But we will be in the progress of this, and this summer especially I'm gonna push a lot with this, and also with Instagram. I'm gonna talk more about this and show you guys more about this. So yeah, I hope that we're not totally fucked by this. Oh, this is my finance, guys. This is finance. If we go to here and MetaMask, I don't want it. If we go to news, today unemployment claim, so it's very important. And then Friday, NFP week. So Thursday you don't trade, okay? Maybe you watch it. So there's also PMI. There's a lot of news. There's a lot of volatility. It's very hard to trade in those days. So there's also unemployment rate. Like these next 2 days are very, very, very important. So be careful. You can trade after Friday, after the news, and yeah, we'll see what would happen. So thank you for listening. I always yap too much. Yeah, have a great day.